Do you want this functionality in your SwiftUI app? So what I have here is a text field that takes in only a number input, and it uses the number keyboard, and it has a save button that allows the user to close out of the keyboard easily. And so what I have for this is an H stack, which contains a button that uses a tertiary operator to show either save or change value. And so I'm doing two things in this button. The first one is that I'm toggling the focus state variable. And what this is going to do is bring that text field into focus so that somebody can type something in. The second thing that I'm doing is using an if-let statement to check if what the user has typed in is a number. Because even though we only have a number keyboard, somebody could technically paste in something with letters, and that could just mess up our whole app. So we only want numbers here, and so if that's the case, then it's going to save this value and call the appropriate function. Besides that, I just have some formatting things, and I obviously have the text field at the end of the stack. So if you're still a bit confused, just go ahead and pause the reel where you can see all the code and just go through it line by line. It's really not that complicated once you get the hang of it. Happy coding!